Thank you for watching Airbnb tour in Japan. I'm home at this Airbnb listed Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Gojyo-Nishinotouin. This Airbnb is located about 1 mile north from Kyoto Station. It's in a very convenient location for sightseeing in Kyoto. If you want to check out this place for yourself, the link of Airbnb is down below. Welcome everybody that's new to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and like and share this video. I'm going to show you Airbnb posted unique style house in Japan. This was the first Airbnb in the 5 series of Kyomachiya special. This was the second one located in Nishigin. If you haven't watched them yet, please refer to the link. So let's jump into this tour. This Kyomachiya was built in 1943 using traditional Japanese construction method. Manju tiles are decorated with family crest, which are very luxurious. Historical tile guardian shoki enshrined at this Kyomachiya. The window on the left side is called Mushikomado, which is a feature of Kyomachiya. The entrance illuminated by beautiful antique lighting is separated by a blinds made of rope, nawa-no-ren. There is a beautiful flower arrangement. You have to take off your shoes here. Small chair is provided from that purpose. You can use guitar for free if you like. Passing through the blinds, there is a kitchen where you can see the refrigerator and microwave. An antique puri is hung from the ceiling, guardian of kitchens on kamidana shelf. Mosaic tiles are stuck on the wall, which is very beautiful. IH oven is available. Behind the kitchen, you can see the gorgeous stairs with a red carpet. Each step of the stairs covered with tatami mats on which this red carpet sits. The lighting of the stairs is made of bamboo. The living room is on the right side of the stairs. This living room has a couch, a table, and a TV. You can see beautiful garden called tsuboniwa. Some tatami mats are laid on the floor, and flooring is around the couch. The walls are decorated with works by Non Nakagawa, an illustrator living in Kyoto. Some of the pillars are the original ones. Japanese paintings drawn by Ippo are displayed. The Fusuma painting of cherry blossoms drawn by Yoshio Yamamoto is very beautiful. There is another living room facing the street. There is a Mizuya cupboard in the center, and there are many ornaments around it. There are tableware in this Mizuya. Beautiful coffee cups are on the top shelf. Teacups are on the second shelf. There are plenty of chopsticks, forks, knives, and spoons in the third shelf. The bowls of brothers are on the shelf below, so multiple people can stay for a long term. Open the shoji door, there is the goshi that allows you to take in a lot of light. This room is light next to the entrance. A work titled Young Bamboo, drawn by Kosui Inui, is displayed at the entrance. A work titled Sound of Morning, calligraphy drawn by Fuko Suzuki. This is a washroom. It has been completely renovated. Plenty of towels are lined up on this shelf. A toilet is here below the stairs. A washing machine and dryer is available. This is the bathroom. This bathtub is about 3 times as large as usual. Very spacious, and my kids enjoy it so much. Parents can relax and enjoy the view of the beautiful Tsuboniwa garden. There is a bedroom on the second floor. There are 2 double beds. The ceiling is an open space, and you can see that long and huge beams are combined. Koichiro Hishimoto drew this picture. There is a chest of drawer next to the bed. Women's kimono is in the top drawer. Men's kimono is the second drawer. There is a guidance so you can wear kimono relatively and easily. This huge and gorgeous calligraphy is drawn by Tempu Miyata. The calligraphy on the kite is also drawn by him. You can see the inside and the construction method of mud walls through the acrylic glass. Bamboo is woven in a grid pattern and mud is applied on it. The roof has been renovated with insulation between the old boards and the roof tiles. The owner has renovated the inside of the wall and the structure so that it can be viewed. There is also a washroom on the second floor. There is a second toilet here, which has been newly renovated. There is a 6 tatami space room in the back. This is traditional desk called makie shokendai. Makie is very beautiful. Japanese traditional horse riding equipment called abumi at Tokonoma. The flower arrangement and hanging scroll kakejiku are very beautiful. This ink painting is titled Moonlight, drawn by Tenshu Ogaki. You can optionally reserve Kyoto cuisine from Kinobu. Kinobu is listed in the Michelin Guide. You can enjoy your dinner while relaxing in a completely private Kyomachiya. Details of Kinobu are listed in the summary section below. How was Yamagata Kyomachi Hatago Gojyo-Nishinotouin? The owner wanted to preserve the traditional Kyomachiya, which is decreasing year by year, so he decided to regenerate this Kyomachiya as a guest house. I think it's wonderful that this Kyomachiya was rebuilt while retaining the traditional Japanese construction method. The large and luxurious bus is best I have ever visited. Please tell me which part you like. I would be very happy if you could leave a comment below. See you again. Please subscribe this channel.